How to transfer money to Chime bank account. First things first, look at the very bottom of your screen and tap on Move Money. Next, you'll see a menu pop up. Go ahead and select Transfer from Other Banks. From here, just hit that green button at the bottom that says Link Your External Account. Chime uses a secure system called Plaid to do this, so when the safety prompt pops up, just click Continue. Now you'll see a list of major banks. If you don't see yours right away, just tap the search bar at the top and type it in. For this walkthrough, we're going to click on Huntington Bank. Go ahead and type in your bank's username and password, then hit Submit at the bottom. Safety first, your bank is going to want to make sure it's actually you. Choose whichever verification method you like best, text, phone call, or email, and click Continue to get your security code. Once you enter that code, your bank accounts will pop up right here. Make sure your primary checking account is selected and hit Continue. Awesome! Your bank is officially linked. Hit Continue one more time. Just tap the little checkbox to accept the standard transfer terms and hit Confirm. Now, type in the exact amount you want to move over. For this example, let's just do $10. Type it in and tap Transfer. Take a quick second to review everything on this screen. If the amount and the accounts look perfect, hit Confirm Transfer. And there you go. Chime will tell you exactly what date your money is going to arrive. Just hit Got It at the bottom and you are all set. Now that you've got money in your account, you might want to know how to send it. Click on this video right here where I break down exactly how to send money on Chime to anyone, even if they don't use Chime themselves. See you over there.